What's up, everybody? It's Chris with Longevity, brought to you by DNC Properties. We're here on a job site today. Sorry, I got the mask on. And I got the mask on today because we are digging in here, cutting concrete, chipping it up, trying to get to the plumbing so we can go ahead and add a new drain pipe where our island's gonna be over here for the kitchen, okay? So I need to cut all the way up to about here so I can run my drain pipe up to about here, and we're gonna have our sink with a dishwasher and so on, and then I also gotta run our water lines up through here to the island as well. It's a lot of sophisticated, complicated work, but when you're a true professional, like myself, it doesn't matter what you're doing. Anything and everything is always simple. And so today for our project, we've got good old reliable. This is the P4221 brushed angle grinder with a diamond Avanti masonry wheel. As you can see, this thing cuts like butter. I'm cutting my trace outlines, and then I'm chipping it with our Gold XR Dewalt 20-volt brushless rotary hammer drill with a chising mechanism mode on it as well, which I've done a review on this tool. I've got the XR 4-amp-hour battery on there now. They've been running for about a good 30 minutes a pop, which is not bad. Maybe 20 minutes, 25 minutes of runtime. Constant chipping, which is great runtime. I'm very pleased with the runtime. So what we got going on now is I'm going to show you what we're doing here. Is we're taking our grinder wheel and we're cutting lines. Okay, here we go. Okay, so as you can see, for a brush grinder, that thing only runs about 6,000 RPMs, which is absolutely plenty, especially with a good quality diamond wheel on it. It's gonna cut through anything like butter. So the most important thing, guys, is safety. You got your gloves on. I don't have my eye protection on like I should. It's in the car, but I'm being extra careful for flinging rocks or anything like that, because one wrong move, sayonara, hasta la vista, your eyes. But we're here. I got the mask on. We're cutting concrete. We're getting the job done. I got my wife in here, my partner. She's over here grouting, getting the room done, nice and prepped, looking good. She's gonna go ahead and wipe it clean with some solution for the tile with a rag to get the excess.
You're not going to be able to hear you on that.
Yeah, you are.
That.
To get the excess film out of the actual tile, so that way you get a nice clean finish. Looks good. Other than that, we're going to go ahead and stop the video. We're going to get back to work, and we'll show you the aftermath as soon as I'm done getting this concrete put up. Maybe we'll show you some good footage of me chipping away. And again, we'll see you soon.
You didn't even want to wear that until you put the video on.
What's up, everybody? It's Chris with Longevity. brought to you by DNC Properties, our proud sponsor. We're back at it again. Gonna put my mask on here. Go ahead and get it nice and comfortable. Okay. And take these two straps. One's got a hook. One's got a pylon on the other side. That simply locks on the back of your head. Oh. Okay. Here we go. Back at it again with the good old Ryobi grinder. So, I'm gonna go ahead and cut some more lines here of the concrete. Let's go ahead and get me a good view here. All right, here we go. I'm going to cross cut it now, so when we chisel it, it comes out very easily. There you have it, guys. Beautiful, beautiful cut job. Luke, I am your father. You need to come over to the dark side with your daddy. I am Darth. They call me baby. That man is gonna die today because I am here from Gotham. Gotham is mine. All right, now take the chisel Here you go to town, boys. So, anyways, just want to show you guys a quick little video of the chisel and a little bit more video of cutting concrete with the Ryobi brush grinder with that Diamond Avanti wheel, which is a great wheel. Top of the line, best on the market. And you can pick them up at Home Depot for a 3-pack for $19.99. Hell of a deal for 3 blades. Anyways, guys, again, thank you for watching. We'll show you some more updated videos when we're done here at the project. We'll see you soon.